SK Lifestyle, of course. And right now, I'm going to do a quick test on these lights that I just picked up from Amazon. Right now, I'm in my garage, and it's pretty bright in here. That's because I have two shop lights. They're LED. I also have a light bulb above me that's connected to a switch right next to the stairs. This light bulb is LED as well. So it throws off some pretty good light, and I will show that in a second just by itself. But of course, I always want more light, especially while you're working. Even with the shop lights, I may end up purchasing another one of those to put like on the wall horizontally. But it'd be real nice if also the light bulb switch socket that I have right up there could throw off some more light too. And I also have a gym downstairs, so because it's a 2-pack, I figured I'd throw one in here, throw one downstairs. So we're going to do a little test. In a moment, I'll turn off the shop lights. We'll see just what the light looks like with the light bulb itself. And then, of course, I'll turn the lights back on. I'll switch out the bulb. I'll throw this in, and we'll turn it on. And together, we will see how well it really works, how much light it really throws off. Is it worth it? Hope it is, because I don't want to bother with another Amazon return. You can see I got a bunch of boxes behind me. Always getting new shipments, and we're always having to send stuff back too. And yeah, we kind of use Kohl's now because it's pretty easy, but still. Anyway, that said, let's jump right into it. And oh, it is nighttime, so that way we can get the best idea of how well this light throws off. And that said, I'm also doing it for the YouTube because it's pretty cold here in the garage. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to turn off the shop lamps. And that's what it's like with the LED bulb itself. Now, it's not bad. It's definitely bright enough in here for me to walk around. I'm not stumbling around. I can see things. But, you know, if I go in some of the drawers, it's going to be kind of dark. And some of the crevices or, you know, all these nooks and stuff, it gets a little dark. So, you know what I mean? Especially if you're trying to work on something or whatever, you may want more light. So, let me turn one of these shop lights on. And grab ladder, get up there, take out the bulb, and then we'll see how the other one works. Turn this one on just so you can see. Just a regular light bulb from Home Depot, EcoSmart LED. So these, Jiffy LED garage light. I don't know. It had one of the quick little videos on Amazon. It seemed like it lit up pretty good, but I mean, how do you really know? They're obviously advertising. You know, so you get a picture, but you know, it could be kind of embellished and stuff. So I got a little protector thing on the top there. Guess I can appreciate that. What I do like too is there's 4 of these, so you can angle them the way you want. So maybe I want 2 facing down and 2 facing against the walls. You know what I mean? I like that option. So obviously I'm going to go ahead and flatten this down right now and make sure I got this light switch off. Hopefully while I'm doing it for the YouTube, I don't bust my behind on the YouTube. So I got it in place. I'm going to have all the lights facing down at first. So I guess that's what I'll do. I'll turn off these shop lamps. I'll turn on this. I have them all facing down. And then after that, I'll do the the back-to-back comparison. Then I'll also flip them to the side so you can kind of see how it throws light against the wall even better. So let the test commence. And you can tell it's pitch black in here other than a little night light. I would say that's better for sure. It's definitely brighter than the LED bulb. I like to see them back to back on the video as well. Definitely really bright looking at it, that's for sure. So now I'm going to go ahead, and I think this is where it's going to make a difference, to be able to kind of angle it in each direction. Because like I said, in here in a garage, yeah, that's pretty much as if I'm having another shop light now. That's really bright, and it really works well angling it. Because now pretty much every corner of this garage has light beaming at it. I'm pretty impressed. I like that. So I think that was definitely a very good purchase, and I can't wait to put one in the gym. And And I think it helps to angle it too, so that way you're not looking directly at the light as you kind of pass underneath it. I mean, you don't need to look up at it, but it's kind of pointing in your face when it's just flat. So let me know what you guys think. And then you can see how it is once turn on the shop lights. That's definitely a lot of light. It really is. I'm not even sure. I might still get one more shop light. Just can never have enough, right? So let me know what you guys think. Do you have any of these? Do you think you got one that works better or something else that works in its place? I'd be certainly interested to know, and I'm sure some other people would. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button down below. SK Lifestyle. Appreciate it. See you guys next time.